Hello, David. This is the HXC cleaning drum you ordered. This is the electric water pump. This is the water hose. One row is 20 meters. There are 4 rows. These accessories to connect the water hose. This is a field. This is the remote control. This is a British standard changeover plug. This is a spray gun, the toolkit, the spare blade, and other accessories. Installing the blade cover. There are 12 nozzles. This is a foam spray nozzle, multi-function spray nozzle, spray boom, another carbon fiber spray boom, 2 solid-state batteries. This is the charger.